Let's get started with cloud-native Java applications on Kubernetes, an open-sourced hands-on workshop. The workshop is based on the cloud-native starter project built for Java developers. That hands-on workshop is an easy introduction to understand, build and run an end-to-end microservices-based sample using Java. The front end simply shows articles. It also shows the easy usage of microprofile to create an out-of-the-box REST API documentation without any additional effort for the developer. It shows how to inspect and configure routing with Istio and Kiali, all by using Kubernetes on IBM Cloud. The sample application is based on open source technologies. These are the open source technologies we use: Kubernetes, Istio, microprofile, microservices, and more. You can easily access the Cloud Native Starter project and navigate to the hands-on workshop on GitHub. By the way, your feedback is always welcome. Here is a brief overview of the architecture of the core project. You can see on Kubernetes we have up to 6 running containers with microservices. We have optional cloud services on the right-hand side for authentication and persistence, and we can instantiate this project on different environments like Minikube, Kubernetes on cloud, Minishift, or OpenShift on cloud. But move on to the relevant part of the workshop. The workshop focuses on the core elements to understand cloud-native development, such as building microservices running in container, creation of REST APIs using traffic management, and building resiliency. As you can see, the sample is not too small, but not too complex to get lost. The sample has 4 core microservices: a web front-end service. It implements a back-end to front-end pattern with the web API service, and it uses different information sources in 2 different services, the articles and the authors. The entire Cloud Native Starter project has a focus on easy consumable content to provide you more time to understand the fundamentals of cloud native development using open source components. It shows how to leverage microservices in platforms with Kubernetes and Istio as much as possible, and uses as little as possible language-specific frameworks like microprofile. To make your first-time experience as simple as possible, we created bash scripts for the setup and for tasks like get the related URLs for the application and microservices. What is the remaining task? Get your hands dirty. Check it out, have fun. All needed information about the Cloud Native Starter project and the workshop are in the description below. Have fun, bye.